quick unboxing of the Amazon Echo. This is not going to be a review video, but I'm going to show you what are the contents of the box as I open it for the first time, and also going to leave you with some sound samples at the end of this video. I'm going to compare it with a generic Bluetooth speaker so that you can understand the quality of sound you can get from this little speaker. Also, I have bought the Echo especially because I'm going to start out my journey on home automation. So if you want more videos on that lines, please do subscribe to this channel. Accessories compartment, there is just a charging adapter, I guess. Here you go. Matte finish. And the speaker itself. And documentation, important information, not for us. And I guess a quick setup guide. Speaker feels unusually heavy. Inside the Echo has got one mid-range speaker and two tweeters. It's got a fabric covering at the top, control buttons here which light up when you power this up, as you will see very soon. And here is the light ring at the bottom and a 1/4 inch thread here, so that you can have some interesting mounting options in the future. I do not know whether this opens, doesn't look like it. And this is your charging point with an auxiliary in. Without much ado, let's get right into the sound samples.